is an octagon. An octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides, and it gives it a name. Octa means 8. Each side of this octagon needs to measure 30 millimeters, and each angle measures 135 degrees. The sum of the angles of this octagon is 1080 degrees, and we calculate this by saying 135 degrees times 8 because there's 8 angles. Okay. To construct, you will need a protractor, a ruler, a compass, eraser, and a pencil. You start off first by drawing a baseline. Right? Your baseline can be any measurement. You just rule a line with your ruler. And then you take your compass, make sure that your pencil points are always sharp, and you measure 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. Place the point of your compass at the end of the line, and you mark it off there. And we're going to call this point A and this point B. Then you take your protractor and you measure at point A. You place your protractor. Your protractor has this little T-junction, and that cross must be placed on point A because my angle is going to be at point A. And you measure an angle of 135. Now there's my line, AB, and it has to sit at the base here. So you go, there's 0 on the inside, so I count here 10, 20, 30, past 90, 110, 130, 135 is there. I make a little stroke there, and I rule that line from A to B, and then take my compass, open up, once again make sure I've got 3 centimeters, put my point at A, mark it off on me. Right? On the other side of B, we are going to do the same thing. Take my protractor on B, and I measure an angle that measures 135. But this time you notice that 0 is on the outside of the protractor. So I read the numbers on the outside. So there 90, 100, 130, 135 is there. Make a little dot to mark it. And I rule a line there. Take my compass. It's still open at 3. Just check. It's open at 3. And put my point at B. Mark it off. We're going to call this here point C. Now you turn your paper around. You place your protractor at point C. Right? Make sure that this baseline is sitting on BC now. And now 0 is on the outside, so I measure 135 degrees there. There it is. I rule a line from there to there. Your compass is still open to 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. Check. And you mark off from point C, you mark off 3 millimeters going there, and that will be your point D. Now I place my protractor at point D. You can turn your paper around if you want to. And just darken it so you can see it. At point D, now my baseline is CD. There's 90, 100, 110, 120, 135 is over there. Make a little stroke. Rule a line. Take your compass, make sure that it measures 3, still, yes, it is still 3, and I make a mark there, and that is point E now. take my protractor, place it at point E. Right? There's my baseline is now DE. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135 is over there. I rule the line again. And take my compass, make sure it's still open to 3, and I mark off from E a line measuring 3. That will be point F. Right. At point F, once again, turn your paper around, place my protractor. Now my baseline is EF. Right. Make sure that my copy is on point F. 150, 125 goes there. Right. And the line. Let's join it. Take your compass, mark off 3 centimeters there, and then where these two last two arcs are, that should measure 3 centimeters, that's what is going to close up your octagon. Now, if you want to, you can just erase that little bit there, because it's going to confuse you. And this is point G, and this is point H. And there you have your perfect octagon. Now to draw, you can see that every side here measures 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And if you go and measure, every angle will also measure 135 degrees. You can construct a regular pentagon, a hexagon, any regular shape in the same manner. Thank you and good luck. Start attention this. Did you stop it? So just delete the last part now where I'm talking to you and then everybody will know it's yours.